everyone, welcome to my channel. I am SUSHREE. I hope you all are doing good. So today we will discuss about one important skill which is required in the field of data analysis and data science. So if you are interested to start your career in data science or data analyst, then you must have know this skill. And if you know this skill, you can easily crack interview and get a very good job offer. It's for everyone, if you are a fresher or experienced, it doesn't matter. And one more important thing is to no need to know any coding language. If you don't know any coding language, then also you can learn this skill. So no need to worry about that. So yes, I am talking about Tableau. So in the next video, I will be discussing about what is Tableau, reasons to use Tableau, list of products which are available in Tableau. I hope you understood this video. That's all for this video. Thank you. And if you like my video, then do like, comment and subscribe to our channel.